Hey there, wanted to walk you through how you could use Zight to make a webcam video. So let's come up here to the Zight icon. You'll click on the record button and let's click on cam only. Hey, so ignore the little webcam at the bottom. That's just so you can see me talking through it. So this is a cam only recording and you can do two different ways. I generally would suggest that you use video for this, but let's say you made a video and you have a couple different options for your audio, and if you want, you can turn it off. Probably doesn't make sense to turn it off in this case. And also, if you have another camera, external cam you want to use, you can do that as well. And that's really it. So you'll click Start Recording. You can always move this around. And let's say you wanted to make a message that was announcing a new product or sending some feedback to a teammate or coworker or a friend. Hey, this is my message, blah, 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 blah. You'll click Finish. So we're going to upload this in the background, and it'll take just a minute. You can see up here that the icon's already filled up, meaning the content is already uploaded. And there you go. You've got your webcam, and you're all ready to go. And that's how you can use Zight to do a webcam recording.